This is how I made $500+ on a used part PC build. The inspiration started when I found this used PC case on OfferUp. Talking to the seller, I was told that all I needed was RAM, a GPU, and storage like a SSD/HDD. It came with a 9700F i7, an Asus motherboard, the Asus case, and a 600-watt power supply. I was able to talk him down to $180, and with that price, I had to go and get it. I drove 45 minutes to pick up the PC, went home, and started cleaning my parts. I paired the 9700F with the 5700 XT, and I threw in 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. I also threw in a 250 SSD and a 500 gigabyte hard drive. The reason I made $500 on this build is because the 5700 XT I GPU mined for maybe 3 years, and the 16 gigabyte of RAM was just extra DDR4 I had laying around. The hard drive and the SSD were also old storage I had laying around. I listed the computer on OfferUp and Facebook for $1,000, got a bunch of offers, and ended up selling it for only $700. I was happy to sell it for $700 because it was to my friend's little brother. And that's how I made $500 on a PC build. If you want to see more content on PC builds or me selling computers or how to build computers, leave a comment and subscribe. Thanks.